I know you are looking for this. Don't worry, mate. I will guide you entire steps that how you can add any song like this into your profile. This is pretty simple. Guys, first of all, open your Facebook application and then tap on this profile icon, switch that account on which you want to add music. Again, tap here and scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Here you will find the option Profile Details, click on it, and you will see the option to add music. Press here. Then press this plus icon in the top right. Now you can see you can add any music from here by simply clicking. If you want to search any music, then tap on Search, and here search any music you want. Like I am searching for Billie Eilish. First we will add as favorites, then we can add to our profile. To add favorites, simply, we will click on the song and it will be added to our favorites. Once added, then go back and tap on See All, then press 3 dots of which song you want to add to your profile, and tap here on Pin to Profile, and the song will be added to our profile. To check it, simply go back to your profile and you can see the song has been added. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.